Good evening all. This is our second session of 20th batch. So I welcome all you people. Yeah. So in the last session we have seen what is data, what is database, what is ETL, how ETL tool will work, what is use of ETL tools, and what is the outcome of ETL tool. We have all discussed in the last session, correct? Yes, please. That is what we have discussed in the last session. Okay. So now, as I told you, Informatica is a ETL tool. Okay. So Informatica is a ETL tool. ETL tool means what? ETL tool means extract the data from OLTP table or a source database, transform the data and load the data to target database. Extract the data to the source table, from the source table in the source database, and modify the data and load data to target database. That is called ETL. So here the major role is database. Extract the data from database, transform the data, and load the data to database. So before learning Informatica, so as I told you, we are all learning Informatica PowerCenter. Informatica PowerCenter is an ETL tool, and it is having ETL means extract the data, transform and load. Okay. So data is stored in the database. First, we should learn about database. Then we should learn about ETL. So before learning ETL, okay, first we should learn what is the database. Correct, please? Understood, everyone? Are you clear? Just a second, please wait. Please wait. Just 1 second, please. Everyone able to hear me now? Yes. So as I told you, first we should learn about database. Okay. So to learn databases, what are the available databases we have? What are the available databases we have in market? In market, we have the available databases like Oracle, SQL Server, Teradata, MySQL, and many databases are there. So Oracle is from Oracle company, SQL Server is from Microsoft company, and Teradata. There are many databases are there. If you learn one, that is more than enough. If you learn one, that is more than enough. Okay? Yes, guys? Understood, everyone? Are you clear, please? Yeah. So first we should learn about database. That means at least you should have good Oracle knowledge. If you want to work with Informatica, you should have at least good Oracle knowledge. So concentrate more onto Oracle before you learn Informatica, learn Oracle first. Okay. So that is what we are going to do now. Yes, please. Now, so Oracle database. That means if you want to create a table, if you want to see the data into table, all those table operations can be done in Oracle database. First, you should install Oracle database. First, what should you do? You should install Oracle database in your system. Everyone is installed Oracle XC, Oracle Express Edition you installed, correct? And you have installed Oracle SQL Developer. Yes or no, please? Yes, guys. You have installed Oracle SQL Developer. First, you install Oracle Express Edition. That is the main database. To access the database, you install SQL Developer. Now, you should work on SQL Developer now. Before going to SQL Developer, first in Oracle, so Oracle is a database. It's a database server or database technology. So Oracle contains two parts. Oracle contains two parts. What are those? Structured query. What is that? SQL, PLSQL. Oracle is divided into two parts. Oracle is divided into two parts. What are those? SQL, PLSQL. What is SQL? Structured query language. What is SQL? Structured query language. Okay. PLSQL means procedural language, structured query language. PLSQL means procedural language, structured query language. Okay. So first, if you wanted to know PLSQL, you must learn SQL first. But to get the job into Informatica, SQL is enough. To get the job into Informatica, SQL is enough. Okay. So learn more and more into SQL. How much ever is used to Informatica, I will tell. Remaining things you can learn, but concentrate more on SQL, please. Are you clear, guys, everyone? Understood? Are you clear? So now we need to learn SQL first. So Oracle is divided into two parts, SQL, PLSQL. So we are learning Oracle SQL. Okay. So now how to work with Oracle SQL? Okay. So you have installed Oracle Express Edition 11G, that is the version, and you have installed Oracle SQL Developer. Now what you have to do, you need to work with Oracle and SQL is different? No, that is what I'm saying, right? Oracle is divided into two parts. Oracle is divided into two parts. One is SQL, another one is PLSQL. Are you clear, please? Understood, everyone? Oracle and SQL are not different. Oracle is divided into two parts. One is SQL, another one is PLSQL. So now SQL is a basic version. That means basic commands you can learn. Once you learn basic commands, if you want to learn advanced programming, you can go to PLSQL. But if you want to do a job in Informatica, learning SQL is more than enough. PLSQL no need to learn. If you have interest, you can learn. If you have interest, you can learn. That's not a problem. Are you clear, please? Understood, everyone? Are you clear? So that's about Oracle. Now we need to learn about Oracle SQL. Okay. So to work with Oracle SQL, which software you want to open? Okay, SQL Developer and SQL Server. See, that is what I'm saying. These are the different databases. Oracle is having SQL, PLSQL. Okay, Oracle is a different database. It's from different company. Same way, SQL Server also a database like Oracle. It is also having SQL, TSQL, Transact SQL. Like that, we have different companies. Work will be same. Whatever you do in Oracle, you can do in the SQL Server also. You can do in the SQL Server also. Okay. So, but companies are different. That's it. Companies are different. That's it. Are you clear, please? How it is different? So the syntax of the commands may be different in Oracle and SQL Server, but the work will be same. Are you clear, please? Understanding, everyone? Are you clear? Clear about it? Yes, please. Yeah. Okay. Now, if you want to work with Oracle SQLs, now we should work on Oracle SQL. So how to work on Oracle SQL? If you want to work on Oracle SQL, you should install Oracle Express Edition or any other edition. And also you must have installed Oracle SQL Developer. Okay. So once you install Oracle SQL Developer, how to launch it? Either you can search here or here I have. So just open this Oracle SQL Developer. I'll close and open again. So just open it. Once you open, it will show like the below. It will show like this. Once you open Oracle SQL Developer, it will open like this. So whatever you work on Oracle, you need to work in Oracle SQL Developer now. You need to work on Oracle SQL Developer. Are you clear, please? Understanding, everyone? Are you clear? So this is about Oracle SQL Developer. Now, a Oracle database, actually what we have seen, database is a collection of tables we have seen. But coming to Oracle database, Not only Oracle database, any database. Database is a collection of schema. Database is a collection of schema. What is a schema? Schema is a collection of database objects. Schema is a collection of database objects. Okay, so it will be look like this. Suppose if it is, this is Oracle database. In Oracle database, first we need to create schema. What is a schema? Schema is collection of database objects like database objects like tables, views, synonyms. So these are different databases, different database objects we have. Okay, so the first thing what you need to do is, first you must create a schema first. Before you creating table, you need to create a schema. How to create a schema? If you see in Oracle, the left side window is called Oracle SQL Developer. The left side window is called connection window. This window is called workspace window. So if you see here, are you seeing every year OTSRC Dev 10, Dev 11, Dev 12, Dev 13, Dev 14? These are all different schemas. These are all different schemas. Under each schema, we have tables. See, suppose if I open this schema, if I click on this plus, you will be seeing tables. See, tables. You will be seeing tables, views, packages, indexes, procedures, functions, operators, etc. These are all called database objects. Okay. So now table is one of the database objects. So ultimately, database is a collection of schema. Schema is collection of database objects. Are you clear, please? Understanding, everyone? Are you clear? So database is a collection of schema. Schema is collection of database objects. Schema is a collection of database objects. Okay, or database objects like Oracle. Database objects like Oracle. Database objects like tables, views, and synonyms. Tables, views, and synonyms. Okay. Now the first thing you need to do is you need to create a schema. How to create a schema? To create a schema, what you need to do? You need to open SQL Developer. I'm opening again. If you want to create a schema, you need to open SQL Developer first. Open SQL Developer. Under this, you need to create a schema name. You can give any name of the schema, but a meaningful name you should give. I am giving a schema name called OTSRC Dev 15. Okay, so OTSRC Dev 15. Let me show you. See, we have till OTSRC Dev 14. I need to create OTSRC Dev 15. How to create a schema now? To create a schema, in your system, you have 3-4 schemas, correct? If you already Oracle installed, if you already seen my video, you could have 3-4 schemas, correct? Yes, please. You could have 3-4 schemas. Okay. So now what you have to do, you have to create a new schema. You will not be having these many schemas in your system, but how to create a new schema, I am showing you now. How to create a new schema, I am showing you now. Okay. So now to create a schema, come scroll down. In your system, there is one system schema. This belongs to Oracle. When you install Oracle, it will come by automatically. This sys will come automatically. Okay. So under this, you need to create the schemas. Okay. So guys, one thing you please understand, while I am telling, you need to listen the session carefully. You should not watch your mobile. Put all your mobiles in silent. Okay. And concentrate on the session. On a daily basis, you have to join the sessions without fail. You have to listen carefully, understand carefully, and practice carefully. So please concentrate on the session. You don't need to write it down. I will give the notes. You don't need to worry. I will give the notes. You don't need to write it down. Just listen carefully. That's it. Always join the join the meeting. Always join the meeting in laptop only. Don't join in mobile. Okay, don't join in mobile. Guys, are you able to hear me? Are you able to hear me? Yes. Okay. Now we are creating a schema. How to create a schema? How to create a schema? To create a schema, first to open SQL Developer, click on this sys plus symbol. Once you click on plus symbol sys, it will open a window like this. A window will open like this. Suppose a window, this is called a workspace window. This is called workspace window. If this window is not opened, suppose once you click on this plus, if this window, okay, if this window is not open, what you need to do? Right click on this, open SQL worksheet. So you can open SQL worksheet like this. Now you need to write the command to create a schema. What is the command to create a schema? What is the command to create a schema? The command to create a schema is like this. You need to write create user schema name. My schema name is OTSRC dev15 identified by password. So this is what you need to write the command. So your schema name is OTSRC dev15 and the password is admin. You can write anything here, but my schema name is OTSRC dev15 and my password is admin. Are you clear, guys? Understanding, everyone? Yes, you have to create the schema. If you create the schema, then only you need to create the table. So schema creation is must. You must create a schema. After that, you need to, what you need to do? You can create the table with schema, but normally we'll create another schemas. Okay. So you need to grant the privileges. You need to give all permissions. Privileges means all permissions. Grant all privileges to your schema. Whatever the schema name you given, grant all permissions. What all permissions? What all the permissions you need to grant? Create table permission, alter table permission, delete table permission. You are giving the permissions. Privileges means permissions. Privileges means permissions. Are you clear? Understanding? Everyone? Yeah. After that, you should give, normally you no need to give, but I am giving database administrator privilege to give DBA, okay, grant DBA to, DBA means database administrator. So each line is separated by a semicolon. Each line is separated by a semicolon. So first, create user and schema both are same. Create user username identified by password. Grant all privileges to the schema. Grant DBA to schema. Okay. Now what you have to do? So select this. Are you seeing one green symbol? Green. Are you seeing one green triangle symbol? What you have to do now? In the green triangle symbol, execute. This is execute. Okay. Click on execute. Now if you see a schema is created, a user or a schema is created, grant succeeded, and also this grant is succeeded. Are you clear, please? Understanding, everyone? Are you clear? Everyone, are you clear, please? So this is how you need to create a schema. Once you create a schema, what you need to do? Once you create a schema, you have to, once you create a schema, yes, please, you need to configure the schema. You created a schema, but here it is not available. See, in the left side, it should come. Are you seeing anywhere OTSR 015? No, till 14 only. Till 14 only it is there, correct? Yes, please. We have till 14 only. Now, what we need to configure the schema. Once you create a schema, you need to configure the schema. How to configure the schema? How to configure the schema? To configure the schema, what you need to do? To configure the schema, click on this plus button. Are you seeing new connection? Are you seeing new connection, please? Click on plus. Once you click on plus, it will ask you the name, username, password. What you need to, whatever you have written the name here, this is your username or schema name. This is your username. Okay. Yes, please. Schema name. Understanding? Everyone? Okay. Once you done it, what you need to do, click on plus. Write the same name. You can write any name, but I am writing the same name. OTSRC Dev 15. Okay. Name is OTSRC Dev 15 and username also same. Password is admin. So whatever you write, the same case you need to write. Admin, if you, these and all can be any case, uppercase or lowercase. But whatever I have given here, you given the same name and click on save password. Yes, please. Understanding? Everyone? Are you clear? Understanding, everyone? So now, so what I have given? Your username is OTSRC15 and your password is small admin test. So it is success. Connect. Once you connect, it will come in the left side. See? Yes, please. Is it connected? Is it connected? Is it connected, guys? It is connected in the left side window. Okay, now what now you need to create? So what we have done? We have opened the SQL developer. We have opened the sys. We clicked on sys and we return the statements of creating the schema. We executed them and we connected them. Now what you need to do? You need to create table under this schema. So this is, suppose in this we have created a schema. What is schema name? OTSRC Dev 15, correct? We have created a schema name called OTSRC Dev 15. Under this, I want to create the tables. So what to do now? Right click on it. Right click on OTSRC Dev 15. Open SQL worksheet. Open SQL worksheet. So now see please, a new worksheet has opened. So in this now, whatever you create under here, it will all will come under this schema. Whatever you created under here, it will go to this schema. Whatever you go and create here, it will all goes to OTSRC Dev 15. If you see, we have tables, views, indexes, but we don't have any tables because we did not create a table still. Now you need to create a table first. First, you need to create a table now. Understood how to create a schema? Did you understand how to create a schema, please? Everyone? Any doubts in creating a schema? Any doubt in creating a schema, please? Did you understand? You can give any name. You can give any name. Yes, please. Clear, guys? You can give any name. Okay. So, but I given a meaning name. I given a meaningful name. OT means order tables, source, development, something like that. So now you need to create a table. So I will give this video to you. You can watch the video. You can watch the video. Okay. So if you want to see, if you wanted to see why it is not showing under here, it will show. If you click on sys, you want to create schemas. You want to see the schemas under sys. Click on sys, other users. Click on other users. You will be seeing here. See, you will be seeing here. If you want to see that newly created one under sys, because we create under sys, it will be visible under sys. At last, other users. Under here, it will be there. Password can be anything. You can give any password. I am giving a simple password called admin. Whatever the password you give it here, while you are connecting it, while you are configuring it, you should use the same thing. You should do the same thing. Are you clear, please? Understanding, everyone? Are you clear? Yes, please. So now, what we need to do now? Now what we need to do? We need to create a table under OTSRC Dev 15. we need to create a table. So before you create a table, you should decide the table name and columns inside it. Suppose, okay. So I can give any name. So I have dev 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, like that. Can we give schema instead of user? No. You need to give like this only. Create user, username. User means schema. You should not write schema. The syntax, you should follow the same thing. Okay. So sys, it will just create a schema. Under sys, it will just create a schema. But if you want to work with schema, you need to configure it here. You cannot work under sys, under OTS or REVOKE. Okay. You need to work on here. Yes, please. Now, you need to create a table first. You need to create a table. To create a table, you should decide. To create a table, you should decide what is your table name and what table you want to create. Suppose if you see, I want to create a table like this. What is my table name? My table name should be students. You should give a name for your table. My table name should be students. Yes, please. My table name should be students. Understanding everyone? My table name is students. Okay. In real time, who will create the schema? Database administrator will create the schema. In real time, database administrator will create the schema. But as of now, we don't have a database administrator. A DBA we don't have. We are only creating it. First, decide how many columns you want in a table and what is the table name. Now I decided that my table name is students. I want 4 columns inside it. What are the 4 columns? What are the 4 columns inside it? Student ID, student name, marks, city. Student ID, student name, marks, city. These are the column names I want. Now also you need to decide what data we need to decide what data we should insert into that. I have given here student ID should contain only numbers, that to 3-digit number only. Maximum 3 digits it can allow. Student name should have characters, maximum characters 50. Marks, it can be decimals, 5, 2. I will tell what is that. Next, city should be maximum 100 characters. Like that, you should decide what data you want, what are the column names and what are the data types. Data types means what? Data types means what kind of data types will decide what kind of data should be available in this table, this column. So now I will create a table now. How to create? So open this OTSRC dev 15. Okay. Now create it like this. Create table OT SRC dev 15. Create table students. Create table students. Open and close the bracket. So inside it, you need to write the column names now. Write it. Student ID. What kind of data type? Number data type. How many numbers you wanted to? Maximum 3 numbers. Comma. Student name. What kind of data type? Character. Character means varchar2 data type. Varchar2 is a data type. How many? 50 characters I want maximum. Then student marks. It is number 5, 2. What is 5, 2? I will tell you. City. City is varchar2. City is varchar2 100, suppose. Varchar2 100. That means, so you need to write like this. Create table name. Table name can be anything. I given a name called students. Okay. We have inside it student ID. This is column name, data type, size, column name, data type, size. You should be comma. Last column, you should not use this comma. Select it and create. Select it and create it. Just wait. It is giving an error. I'll rectify the error. Please wait. Just give me 1 second. I'll rectify the error. Now I am executing the table. See, when you execute, it will create a table. Is the table students is created? Is the table students is created? Okay. Somebody is asking, is it recording session or interactive session? It is an interactive session. It is an interactive session, but I will not give the mute access to you because we have 165 people. If I give the mute access, if I give the unmute access to you, Nobody, all will speak. Nobody can understand anything. If you want to ask any question, please type in the chat. I will reply you. This is interactive live session only. This is not recorded session. Are you clear, guys? Yes, please. So please, if you want to ask any question, you please ask the question in the chat. I will reply you. Okay. So this can be any case. It can be small case, capital, anything. There is no restriction that you should do in capital letters only. Underscore, why I am giving? Because space will not accept. Space will not accept. That's why I am giving underscore. That is why I am giving underscore. Okay. Yes. You need to select all and execute. Better select all always and execute. Now table students is created. Table students is created. Yes, please. Understood? You need to write like this only. Create table, table name, column name, data type, size, column name, data type, size, comma, column name, data type, size. Like this you need to write. You can write it. You can write any table name, any column you can give. But based on my requirement, I am giving these column names. Based on my requirement, I am giving these column names. That's it. Okay. I'll give the notes. I will give the notes. You no need to worry. Yes, please. Are you clear, guys? Understanding? So it will vary. You can give any size. Any size you can give. I'll tell you, please wait. Okay. Why should we give varchar? Because it's a data type in Oracle. Varchar2 is a data type in Oracle. We have many data types in Oracle. If you want to see the data types in Oracle, you can see the data types. So you can just Google search data types in Oracle. Data types in Oracle. You see, we have these many data types. We have char data type, nchar, varchar2, nvarchar2, CLOB, okay, BLOB, char. There are many data types. Okay, number, PKMIS, date. So there are many data types we have. We will learn one by one. Okay, as of now, I have given like this. Did you understand how to create a table? Semicolon at last you need to put. At last you need to put a semicolon. Okay, at last, after creating the table, last you need to put it. After every column data type, you need to give comma. These and all will come by practice. These and all will come by practice. Now you created a table. If you see in the left side, it is not visible. You created a table under OTSRC Dev 15, but it is not visible under left side, correct? So what you need to do? Right click on it on OTSRC Dev 15, disconnect and connect. When you disconnect and connect, is the table students is created? Is it showing? Is it showing, guys? Table students is created? Yes, it is showing. Okay, this is how you need to create a table. This is how you need to create a table. So now, once you create a table, if you want to see the data in a table, in a table, what to do? If you want to see the data, what to do? Select star from students. Select star from students. What is select star from students? Select all columns of the students. If you execute, you see, here only column names are present, but data we did not insert it still, correct? Did we insert the data? Not yet still. Just we created the structure. This is called structure of a table or definition of a table. This is called structure of a table or definition of a table. Okay. So we just created the structure or definition of a table. We need to insert the records. So if you want to see the records in a table, you can give select star from table name. If you want to see the structure of a table, you can give DSC students, DSC table name, DSC table name. Understanding? Understanding, everyone? Okay, if you see whatever we created, same thing it is showing here, correct? Select star from students means it will show number of records in a table. That means what are the records present. DSC or describe, anything is fine. DSC or describe, you can write it. If I write DSC or describe, it will show the column names present in it. The structure it will show. Are you clear, please? Understood, everyone? Are you clear? Understanding? Yes, please. Now, the next step is, so how to create a table like this, how to see the data into it. This is the one. How to see the structure of a table. DSC table name. DSC table name. Star means all columns. Select star means all columns. Okay. Somebody is asking, as per the video, we created two schemas, InfoRepo and InfoDOM. Those are for Informatica installation. InfoRepo and InfoDOM for Informatica installation. Okay, that is why we created those. Okay. Now you need to insert it. In this table, you need to insert the records. How? See please. Student ID, suppose 10. Name, Raj. Marks, 100, 00. City, Bangalore. Like this, ODBC connection we'll see later. Please wait. Step by step we'll learn. Just understand it first. So we need to insert the records like this. What we need to do? We need to insert the records like this. Okay. Now, see, if it is number of 3 means, you can insert any numbers from 0 to 999. Number of 3 means what? Maximum digits it will allow is, you can enter any number. You can enter 0 or 15 or 99 or 100, 999. Anything you can insert. I'll tell you where these notes will be available. I will tell you, please wait. Okay. 0 to 999. So number of 3 means from 0 numbers to 3 numbers, maximum 3 digits it will allow. Maximum 3 digits it will allow. Understood, guys? Are you clear? Everyone? Understanding? Now varchar to 50. Varchar to 50 means from 0 characters to 50 characters it will allow. Like this. Okay. Ram, Ramya, Divya, Dinesh, Kavya, like this. Now marks 5, 2. What is number 5, 2? Number 5, 2 means maximum digits are 5. Maximum digits are 5. But before 2 digits, before last 2 digits, the dot should be there. Like means, see please. It will allow like this. 123.56. In this, total are 5 digits, correct? Is total are 5 digits? Total digits should be 5. In that, before 2 digits, dot should be there. So like this. It will allow 123.15. Okay. 999.99. 0.1. 100.12. Okay. 0.123. Sorry, 0.12. Maximum 2 digits. After before dot 3 digits. After dot 2 digits. 123 dot or 45.12. Like this. So it will allow from where to where? 0 to 999.99. Yes, please. From 0 number to 999.99, number 5, 2 bits. Suppose if I give number 6, 3. If I give number 6, 3, total digit should be 3 digits. Sorry, total digit should be 6 digits. Before 3 digit, before last 3 digit, dot should be there like this. 999.999, 123.456, 0.15, 0.2, 15.415.12. Understanding, guys? Are you clear? Everyone? Did you understand what is number 5, 2, number 6, 3? So here we need to insert like this. So how to insert the records into a table now? How to insert the records into a table? To insert the records, you need to write insert statement. We need to write insert statement. Okay. How to write the insert statement? How to write insert statement in Oracle? How to write? Please observe. So enter insert into table name. Insert into table name. Okay. So what I am writing? I am writing insert into students. Now give the column names. Student ID, comma, student name, comma, student marks, comma, city, comma, city. Now write values. Values. Here you need to write whatever the value you want. What you want? Student ID 10. Student name Raj. So Raj should be in single character, single quotes. Why? Because we have given student name as varchar2. That is why we need to give. That is why we need to give this as single quotes. For numbers, if it is a number data type, student ID is a number data type. That's why I'm not writing any quotes. But whenever it is character, you should write in the single quotes, comma, okay, 100.12, comma, Bangalore. City also varchar. That is why I am writing like this, open and close. This is how you need to write a insert statement. This is how you need to write a insert statement. Are you clear, please? Understanding, everyone? Insert into table name. Difference between varchar and varchar2 are almost same. Varchar2 is the advanced version of varchar. That's it. Varchar2 is the advanced version of varchar. Guys, give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. I'll come back. Okay, please give me 1 minute. Will you be hold for 1 minute? Please wait. Somebody are calling me. I'll come back. Please wait. Yes. So this is how you need to insert it. Now what you need to do? After doing it, so city varchar2 is there, right? Comma is not required because the last column comma is not required. Okay, last column the comma is not required. Yes, please. Understanding, everyone? In real time, what we need to do, we'll see later. In real time, what we need to do, we'll see later. Okay, we'll provide the later. We'll provide it. Okay, insert into table name. All the column names you need to write, values, and this. So 10 belongs to student ID. Raj is student name. 100.12 is marks. Bangalore is city. Like this, it will show. How to insert multiple rows using a single query, we'll see later. We'll see that later. So first you need to insert one record. So what to do? Just select it. Just select it like this and execute it. One record inserted. Is one record inserted, please? Yes or no, guys? Is one record inserted? Please respond. Now, how to see that record? You can execute this again. Select star from students. See? 10, Raj. 10.1.2, Bangalore. Okay? Like this. You want to insert one more record. Just copy this. Edit. Copy. Control C, Control V. Or go to edit, paste. Now you change the values. 20. Ram. Okay? Suppose if I want 95.50, Chennai. Okay? Like this. Yes, please. You want to insert one more record? Insert it. So like this. How many records you want to write? You want to write that many statements. Like this. 30. Okay? So Ramya. 30 Ramya. Yes, please. Don't give the spaces here. Suppose 50.12. 50.12. Okay, Pune. Yes, please. Yeah. Suppose I want to insert one more record. Yes, 40. Rajesh. Okay, can be same. Values can be same, not a problem. Okay, 0 dot or 60.05. 60.05 Mumbai. Like this. Now I will take all these three at a time and I will execute. 3 records inserted. See please now. Total 4 records inserted. Yes, please. 4 records inserted. Understanding? Everyone? Are you clear, please? So this is student ID, student name, marks, city. Marks and city. Suppose if I execute again all these 4, it will add one more 4 records. See? I am executing all 4 again. Now I got 8 records. See please. Now we got 8 records. Understanding? Everyone? So now insert again. See here please. We got 12 records. Okay, these things will repeat. Now once you insert the records into table, you need to give commit. You need to give what? Commit. Okay. So commit means save. Save the records into a table. If you don't give commit, if you close this window, it will not save. It will not save. Are you clear, please? Student name, total number of characters should be 50. Till 50 characters it will allow. till 50 characters it will allow. Did you understand please how to create a table? Did you understand how to create a table? How to insert the records into a table? How to see the records in the table? How to see the structure of a table? And how to insert the records in a table? I have given here in clear-cut manner. You see how to create a schema in Oracle. This is how you need to create a schema. Okay, basic commands I will tell you in some time. Please wait. Now, how to create a table? This is how you need to create a table. How to see the records in a table? This is how you need to select star from students. How to see the structure of a table? DESC students. Okay. We require, that is a syntax. Syntax means rule. Syntax means rule. You need to mention all the columns. If you have 100 columns, you need to mention all the columns. There is no other way. You need to mention it. Okay. Normally we'll mention it. There are many other ways, but normally we'll mention it. Okay. Do like this one. Because in real time, we will do like that. Now, how to insert the records? This is how you need to insert. How to save the records? Just give commit. Commit means save the records into a table. Are you clear, please? Understanding? How to avoid duplicates under, we'll see later. How to avoid duplicates under, we'll see later. As of now, please concentrate on the basics. First, we are seeing basics. Then we'll go to advanced. Okay. Understanding? Yes, it is notes. I will send you the notes. You don't need to worry. I will send you the notes. Okay, guys. Are you clear, please, everyone? Understood? Now, if you want to see the number of records in a table, how many records in this table? How many records in this table? It will give the count of the left side. You can give a select count of star. Select count of star from table name. It will give number of records in a table. See, it will give 2. Select star from student means it will give all the records from a table. Select count star from students means it will give number of records from a table. It will give number of records in a table. Understanding, everyone? Are you clear, please? Understanding? Suppose we'll create one more table. We'll create a table called cust. We'll create one more table. Create table cust. So open the bracket and close the bracket. So what? Cust ID. I want cust ID. Cust ID. Cust ID is a, let's say, I'm giving cust ID as varchar. I'm giving cust ID as varchar. Commit means save. What is the meaning of commit command? Commit means save. Save the records in the table. Commit means save. Are you clear, please? Understanding? Cust ID varchar 20. Cust name. I'm giving cust name varchar to 100. Credit amount. I'm giving some column names. Credit amount. Okay. This is number 8,3. Yes, please. Number 8,3. Okay. Next, debit amount. Debit amount. Okay. Number 8,3. Like this, I am creating a table. Like this, I am creating a table. Yes, please. Okay, I will tell you. Please wait. I'll tell you. Please wait. Okay. So now create it. I create table cust. My table name is cust. In that, I have the column names customer ID, customer name, credit limit, credit amount, debit amount. So just create it. Okay. I created the table. Now, once you create a table, okay, you need to insert the records. As I told you, we have 2 data types. Correct? Okay. Number and varchar, suppose. Number and varchar, we have 2 data types. Number will allow only numbers, but characters will allow both numbers, characters, special characters also. Number means, see, like this. Yes, please. I will tell you. Please wait. 1, 2, 3, 10, 1, 2, 56, 65, 999. Like this. Numbers means. Characters means I can give Raj, Ram, 10 Raj, Ram 20, 10, 20, from ampersand like this. So varchar will allow all things, all the things. Varchar can allow numbers, can allow strings, can allow special characters also. But numbers will allow only numbers. Numbers will allow only numbers. Understanding? But this will also take as a character. Now suppose I want to insert it. Say what I will insert it. Insert into table name. Insert into table name. Yes, please. Customer ID. Okay. Customer ID. Customer name. Yes, please. Credit amount and debit amount. Okay. Values. Now, customer ID is what? Customer ID is what? Which data type? Customer ID is which data type? It's a number data type. It's a varchar data type. Customer ID is a varchar. So if I want 10, you should write 10 in single quotes. Because you are inserting a number in varchar data type. You are inserting a number in varchar data type. So you should give 10, comma, name. Name. Okay. Name also varchar. So I am giving name like this, Raj. Next, credit amount is a number. So 20. Or credit amount or 2000, comma 3000, like this. Debit 3000. Understanding? Suppose I will create one more. I will create one more. Okay. Yes, please. No, if it is a varchar, you should write in single quotes only. I want A10. A10 like this. Okay. So this is RAM. Yes, please. This is 45,000. Okay. This is 6,000. Like this I want. One more record, I'll take it. Okay. I want 1020B like this. This is Ramya. Okay. This is 100.123. Okay. This is 5000.1, 500.12. I'll take one more. I will take one more. See, please. So this one I'll take it. $101, something like this. Okay. $101. Next, Dinesh. Yes, please. So like this I'll take. Execute it. Now check after insert, you should write a commit. You should write a commit. After insert, you should write a commit. COMMIT. Yes, please. Execute it. Now see, please. Select star from cust. Okay. Execute. Now see, please. Is customer ID accepted numbers and also alphanumerics and also special characters, correct? Yes or no, guys? Int and number both are same. Again, we'll see those things later. We'll see those things later. First, understand this. Okay. Are you clear, please? Understood, everyone? Clear about it? How to create a table? How to insert the records into a table? How to create a table? How to insert the records into a table? How to see the records into a table? Did you understand? Are you clear? Everyone, non-IT guys, are you able to understand? Non-IT people, are you able to understand? Yes, please. Clear about it? Select star from customer means it will show the records from a table. Select count of star from customer means it will show the count, it will show 4, it will show. Are you clear, please? Understood, everyone? Are you clear? So this is how we need to create the tables. So I have given how to create now. Now you should know about some basic commands in Oracle. In Oracle, we have some basic commands we have. What are the basic commands in Oracle? We have DDL commands, DML commands, TCL commands, DQL commands, and DCL commands. DDL commands, DML commands, TCL commands, DQL commands, and DCL. DDL means data definition language. DML means data manipulation language. TCL means transaction control language. DQL means data query language. DCL means data control language. Under DDL, we have create, alter, drop, rename, truncate. Under DML, we have insert, update, delete. Under TCL, we have commit, rollback. Under DQL, we have select. Under DCL, we have grant and revoke. We have grant and revoke. Are you clear, please? Understood, everyone? Are you clear? So these are some commands. From next session onwards, we will see these commands in depth. In depth, we will see these commands. Are you clear, please? Understanding, everyone? Are you clear? Yes, guys. So this is about Oracle today's topic. Which command we use? We have used create command. We have used insert command. We have used commit command. We have used select command. Yes, please. We have used create command. We have used insert command. We have used commit command. We have used select command. See, at starting, you may face some difficulty, correct? At starting, today is your first or second session. You may feel it is new, but while you are practicing, this will be very easy. While you practice, this will be very easy. Non-IT guys, are you able to understand clearly? Non-IT people, are you able to understand clearly, please? Could you please reply, non-IT people? Are you able to understand? Commit means save. After insert statement, you should give commit. Commit, save entire table. After insert statement, you should give commit. Yes, please. Clear, guys? Okay. So from next session onwards, we will see all these things. We will see all these things. Now, this is about Oracle SQL. Today we will learn. Okay. Today, grant means we'll see later all those things. We'll see all those things later. Grant means give the permission. Grant means give the permission. Okay. In real time, what we need to do, we'll see later. In real time, what we should do, we'll see later. Okay. First, understand the basics first. First, understand the basics. Okay. So we can give any name, single sentence without underscore. Yes. Table name can be anything. Table name can be anything. You can give anything for the table name. Okay. Whatever the password you have while you are creating, whatever the password you give, you should give the same password. You should configure when you configure it. Create again. Try to create another schema and try to configure it. It will work. Okay. DESC command. It is not. It's just a Oracle command. It will not come under these commands. It will not come under these commands. It's just a Oracle command. That's it. Okay. Clear, guys? Now let's go to Informatica. This is about Oracle. Any doubts, please? This is all about Oracle. Any doubts? Are you clear, please? Everyone, are you clear? Yeah. Now let's go to Informatica. Let's go to Informatica now. Okay. As I told you, Informatica is a ETL tool. Informatica is we are all learning. As I told you, okay, I will show you this PPT to you. I'll show you this PPT. Just wait. As I told you, we have different ETL tools available in market. We have different ETL tools. What are ETL tools we have in Informatica? We have Ab initio, we have SSIS, we have BO objects, we have SAP BO, we have data stage, we have ODI, we have talent. Okay, we have talent. Okay, so we have many tools available. See, as of now, for next 3-4 classes, at least for 3 to 5 classes, Oracle SQL and Informatica is enough. After 5 classes, we will start SQL Server also. Till 5 classes, you no need to worry if you don't understand, if you don't install SQL Server. SQL Server is not so urgent. Okay. After 5 classes, we'll see SQL Server. Okay, guys? Yes, please. Clear? Till 5 classes, if you don't install SQL Server, that's not a problem. After 5 classes, you can install SQL Server. As of now, Oracle and Informatica is required. As of now, Oracle and Informatica is required. Okay. Now, coming to Informatica, Informatica is a software company like others. Informatica also a software company. Okay. It is a product-based software company which headquartered in US. Informatica has developed many tools like PowerCenter. We are learning Informatica PowerCenter. Like Oracle, like Informatica PowerCenter, Informatica has many other tools also, like Informatica Cloud, that is IICS, Information Lifecycle Management, that is ILM, Information Big Data Management, that is BDM, Test Data Management, TDM, Cloud, IDQ. These are all different tools available in Informatica, developed by Informatica. But the basic tool they developed is PowerCenter. If you know PowerCenter, then only you can work on all these things. If you know PowerCenter, then only you will be able to work on other tools. If you don't know PowerCenter, you cannot work on TDM, you cannot work on, so you need to learn all. So there are different tools available. Any one is enough. Informatica PowerCenter is enough. If you want to learn more, you can learn IICS. You can learn IICS. Okay. Now, coming to here. Okay. Yes, please. You can learn Informatica and IICS. That is more than enough. That is more than enough. Okay. Are you clear, guys? Understood? Now, as I told you, Informatica PowerCenter is a ETL tool. What is ETL tool? What is an ETL tool? Extract, transform, load. ETL is a extract, transform, and load. Extract from where? Extract from source systems and transform it, load it to target. So extract from source systems, any database, only PowerCenter is also enough. Only PowerCenter also enough to get a job. If you want to learn more, then you can learn IICS also. Okay. If you want to learn advanced technology, you can learn IICS. Otherwise, PowerCenter is more than enough. Okay. Now, as I told you, what Informatica will do? It will extract the data from different databases, transform it, and load it to target, that is data warehouse, and from there reports will generate. Now, Informatica PowerCenter, now we are learning Informatica PowerCenter 10.2.0 version. This 10.2.0 version, Informatica 10.2.0 version, okay, Informatica PowerCenter is having two kinds of tools. Under Informatica PowerCenter, we have two things. One is server tools, another one is client tools. One is server tools, another one is client tools. Okay. So what are server tools and what are client tools? What are server tools and client tools? Okay. Server tools are domains, nodes, repository service, integration service. Client tools are PowerCenter Designer, PowerCenter Repository Manager, PowerCenter Workflow Manager, PowerCenter Workflow Monitor. While you are installing Informatica, you could have created a domain. You could have created an Informatica repository service. You could have created an integration service, correct? Did you create all this? See, the latest version is 10.5. The latest version of Informatica is 10.5.0. But if you compare this 10.5.0 with 10.2.0, there are no major differences. Almost very minor differences, but all same differences will be there. Same things will be there. So the stable version is 10.2.0. The stable version is 10.2.0. Are you clear, please? Understood? The latest version is 10.5.0. So we are learning 10.2.0, but both are same almost. Almost both are same. Are you clear, please? Understanding? While you are installing Informatica, you might have created a domain, you might have created a repository service, you might have created an integration service, correct? Where you will see these server tools, where you can see this. Before you launching server or client tools, you need to check the services. How to check the services? Type services, open the services. Okay. Under services, come to Oracle service first. These 4 Oracle services should be in running status. Click on I. This Informatica 10.2.0 should be in running status. Yes, please. Should be running. Informatica 10.2.0 should be running status. Okay. It should be in running status. Understanding everyone? Yes, please. So I just started Informatica 10.2.0. It will take some time to start. But if you see, if you want to, in real time, when you go to real time, you will not install Informatica software, Informatica server. Informatica server installation is difficult, but client installation is easy, correct? Informatica server installation is different, but client installation is easy. Yes or no, please? Correct, guys? Yes. Just give me 1 second. I'll come back in 1 second. Please wait. Just started or not? Let's see. So it will start in some time. It is running. It will take 2 minutes. So now, when you go to real time, as an Informatica developer, you are all going as an Informatica developer. You will be going as Informatica developer working on only these 4 tools. He will never work on server. Informatica administrator will install Informatica server in real time, and he will create a repository service. He will create an Informatica integration service, and also he will create all these things, server tools. But client tools will be, who will install? You people will install Informatica client. It is very easy. Just next, and he will install and he will work on only these 4. If you want to see the server tools, you need to go to start all apps. Okay. You can go to Informatica 10.2.0 and you can click on Informatica Administrator homepage. When you click on it, a homepage will open. So it will take some time because services are still starting. It will take some time. Just wait for some time. It will open. If you want to open client tools, suppose you want to open client tools. If you want to open client tools, I'll show you. Please wait. If you want to open client tools, go to start all apps. Go to start all apps. Okay, Informatica 10.2.0. Click on PowerCenter Designer. These 4 are client tools. PowerCenter Designer, Workflow Manager, Repository Manager, Workflow Monitor. Open any one. If you open, a window will open. If you open, a window will open like this. A window will open like this. Okay, this is called Repository Manager. Sorry, this is called PowerCenter Designer. When you click on R here, it will open another window called Repository Manager. When you click on W here, it will open another window called Manager. When you click on M here, it will open another window called Monitor. Like this, it will open all these things. You need to learn about repository service and integration service. Those are server tools. Server tools, you need to learn about it. Those are Informatica administrator work, but not your work. Those are Informatica administrator work, but not your work. Okay. Can we use 9.6.1 version or upgrade? Better use 10.2.0. 9.6.1 also you can work, but better if you install 10.2.0. Better if you install. Okay. Yes, please. Because 9.6 and 10.2, there are lots of differences. There are lots of differences. Okay. Are you clear, please? Understanding? Okay. So these are the client tools. In real time, we will always work on these 4 client tools. We will not work on server tools, and we'll never install Informatica server. But I have shown you how to install that also. I have shown you how to install. Okay. So that is about Informatica. So here server tools I'll show you. So here it is open, right? Let me refresh it. No, still it is services are not up. To open the server tools, services should be up. Services should be up. Okay. So this is about. In the next session, we will see more Oracle commands and we'll start Informatica in depth.